morning. Today I am going to explain regarding the problems on flexible budget. How to do the problems on flexible budget. This is one of the example of one illustration regarding the flexible budget. The information related to the production of 10,000 units. Prepare a flexible budget for 8,000 and 11,000 units. In this information, they have given the problem regarding the different cost, that is material 50,000 rupees, 10%, 100% variable, labor always 100% variable 30,000, power 3,000 rupees, 20% fixed, repairs 3,000, 10% variable, depreciation 10,000, 100% fixed. We have to do the problem for the 8,000 and 11,000 units. 10,000 units, 8,000 units, and 11,000 units. So first, they have given the material. The material is 50,000 rupees. That is 100% variable. 100% variable. 50,000 for 10,000 units. What about 8,000 units? So it comes to 40,000. So we can calculate this is 50,000 divided by 10,000 into 8,000. This is 40,000 units. In the same way, for 11,000 units, it comes to 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees. Then next one is labor, that is 30,000. In the problem they are given 100% variable. 30,000 for 50,000, 10,000 units means for 8,000 units it comes to 24,000. For 11,000 units it comes to 33,000. The same way we have to calculate the 30,000, 24,000 and 33,000. So this is regarding 100% variable cost. When it comes to next item is power. Power they are given 3,000 rupees. This is will be divided into different category, that is fixed cost and variable cost. So they are given 20% fixed, that means 80% variable, 20% fixed. We have to take only variable cost first, then next is fixed cost. 80% of 3,000 is 2,400. 2,400 for 10,000 units. What about 8,000? So because this is a variable, this varies according to the production. 2,400 for 10,000 units. What about 8,000 units? It comes to 1,920 rupees. What is the amount of 11,000 units amount regarding the cost? 2,400 rupees for 10,000. What about 11,000 units is 2,640 rupees. We should not consider the fixed cost here because we have to divide the variable cost into the fixed cost. This will be continued. Next one is repairs. This is still under the problem. Okay. So repairs is 4,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. This is 10% variable and 90% fixed. 10% means this is 300. If it is 300 for 10,000 units, what about 8,000? This comes to 240 rupees. If it is 3,000 for 10,000, what about 11,000? So 3,300, 330 rupees. This is variable. We have to calculate the fixed now. We can add the total variable cost. Then next one is fixed cost. Number 1, depreciation. They have given the depreciation amount is 10,000. This is fixed. It will be fixed for the next level also. 10,000. Here the power is remaining portion of 20% of 3,000. 20% of 3,000 is 600. This will be fixed for all the levels. And another one is repairs. So repairs is 90% fixed. 10% of 3,000 is 300. 90% of 3,000 is 2,700. 2,700. We have to add the total variable cost and total fixed cost. So this is called as A, this is called as B. So total of the 10,000 units is 82,700, 66,160 and 88,330. So here the total of this one is 13,300. We have to add A plus B, that is total cost. That is 96,000, 79,460, 1,630. This is the solution for this problem.